Title Hook: The Alchemist, Paulo Coelho, a philosophical journey of self-discovery and destiny. Stay with us till the very end, because what you are about to discover will completely change the way you think about this topic. Most people miss this crucial information and end up making costly mistakes that they later regret. In The Alchemist, Paulo Coelho presents a symbolic exploration of personal legend and the pursuit of one's dreams. The story follows Santiago, a young Andalusian shepherd who dreams of finding a treasure located in the Egyptian pyramids. This novel delves into the universal quest for meaning and fulfillment, urging readers to listen to their hearts and follow their dreams. Santiago embarks on a journey that takes him from his home in Spain across the desert to Egypt. Along the way, he encounters various characters, including a king, a crystal merchant, an Englishman, and an alchemist. Each of these figures imparts wisdom and lessons that guide Santiago toward understanding his personal legend. Central to the story is the idea that pursuing one's true purpose is the path to true contentment. Coelho provides several transformative insights throughout the narrative. Firstly, the notion that every individual has a personal legend, a unique destiny to fulfill, encourages readers to seek their true calling. Secondly, the book emphasizes the importance of listening to one's heart and recognizing omens as guides in the journey. Lastly, it highlights the interconnectedness of all things, suggesting that the universe conspires to help those who are sincerely pursuing their dreams. Memorable moments include Santiago's realization that the journey itself is as significant as the destination and his learning from the alchemist about turning lead into gold, an allegory for personal transformation. Another poignant concept is the idea that true treasure lies not in material wealth but in self-discovery and fulfillment. Paulo Coelho, a Brazilian author, wrote The Alchemist after experiencing many trials and changing careers. His own journey of self-discovery deeply influences his work, infusing it with authenticity and inspiration. Coelho's writing style is marked by simplicity and profound philosophical insights, allowing readers to draw deep meaning from each page. The relevance of The Alchemist endures as society grapples with questions about purpose and meaning in a rapidly changing world. The book's themes resonate with those seeking direction amidst uncertainty, reminding them of the power of perseverance and belief in one's dreams. Its emphasis on personal growth and understanding resonates universally, providing a beacon of hope and inspiration. For those inspired by Santiago's journey, the actionable takeaway is to reflect on personal dreams and actively pursue them, trusting the process and remaining open to learning from the world. By embracing challenges and staying true to one's path, individuals can discover their own unique treasures, just as Santiago did in the vast desert sands. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.